Hello, welcome to Razorops tutorial. Today we'll be looking at what sort of features and what we can do with Razorops. And before further ado, let me just open the website razorops.com. And if you don't know what Razorops is, it's basically is a container native continuous delivery platform which can automate your workflow for production releases. So basically, any developers who is pushing their code to any versioning tool, they don't need to worry about if they have to run any extra scripts to deploy their code to production. So it's all automatically taken care by Razorops. So to set up that pipeline, so you need to go through a set of tasks, a series of tasks. So let's see what we can do with Razorops. First of all, you have to sign up, and with a sign up you can fill your normal details with organization name and email ID and password, and then you can say sign up. So I already have signed up, so let me log in. Um so yes, so this is my dashboard. This will be the typical dashboard that you'll see. I think for a fresh start I will create an organization. Let's just give a name, test underscore Razorops for the organization name, and then I'll say description. You can set any description. So once it creates your while you are signing up, actually it automatically creates your organization, and then once you land on your dashboard, you'll see this empty page where it says, okay, you can create the pipeline. Then you have Kubernetes clusters where you can add your clusters here, and well, which can be used, which eventually will be used for your pipeline for the deployments. Uh, then you can add your versioning tools like GitHub, Gitbucket, or GitLab if you have hosted your own. Then you can add the image registries, for example, Docker, or for the matter of fact that you can add any self-hosted registries, image registry as well. And if you have Google Container Registry or AWS, then you can connect with this. Uh, the Kubernetes cluster, eventually this goes to this Kubernetes tab only, where you can manage separately all the clusters. And then you have Slack connectivity here as well. Well, your dev team won't be disconnected from what's happening for the deployments. If anything is failing or it's a success of the deployments, basically you get the communication or notification on your Slack. Well, you can manage your team. You can add more people in your organization, and they eventually can they eventually have access to push the code, and it eventually will do the deployments. Uh, then we have settings where you have your normal settings. And just in case if you want to transfer ownership of this organization, you can do that. Or if you are just testing or want to remove this organization, then you can do so. Then if you are, sorry, I went there directly. So if you want to go through the documentation, how the every process or integrations or cluster addition, or you're creating a pipeline, how does it work? So you can go to our documentation. So we have detailed tutorials, and you can find your uh, probably sufficient enough information there to create your pipeline successfully. Uh, then we have support here. Eventually you can email to us at support@razorops.com, or if you want to have an instant chat, so you can ping here as well. So that's all with this Razorops features. If you have any doubts, you can always drop email at here. Thank you.